'Cause I'm slowly breaking down, even when I hold you close. Oh, and if I lose you, I'm afraid I would lose who I gave.
Yeah, like I was saying, today is Sunday. I went grocery shopping for the kids back to school on Tuesday. They go back to school on Tuesday. So I went and stocked up on food. Plus our refrigerator wasn't working, so all the food spoiled. So we didn't have any food. And so I went grocery shopping for that. So now I'm making the kids pizza for lunch. And
the oven's open.
The oven's open? Yeah, because I have to take the other pizza out. Maddie! I got her hair to do. I have to do her hair. And because tomorrow we have a cookout to go to tomorrow.
And then
so I do her hair. And also get it ready for school on Tuesday. So that's that. So I'm going to get their pizza ready. I'm going to cut it up. I wish I had a pizza cutter. But I used to have a pizza cutter. I don't know what happened to it. I need to get a pizza cutter because it makes it so easy to cut pizza. So I'm gonna get their lunch ready. I'm doing a giveaway on my channel, so if you guys want to check that out, go ahead and check it out. It's gonna be running for a week. So if you have kids that are in need of a backpack and school supplies, go ahead and enter.
Can I have this one? It doesn't. Can this is good butter?
Yeah, so like I was saying.
Get off the soda can. Mommy. Oh.
Sure. So if you have kids that are school age and are in need of school supply, go ahead and check that giveaway out. And if you're already a subscriber, the rules are simple. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and comment down below which backpack you would like. It's
and give a thumbs up. And press that bell button right next to the subscribe button to get post notifications of when I post a new video.
She know more about this whole thing more than I do.
Oh yeah, scary.
Listen to her, not me. These things are life right now. They're giving me so much life. It's just water. But it tastes so good. Oh, I forgot to show you guys my nails. So my nail guy, the guy that does my nail, he be hooking me up. So this is just white, and it turns blue when I'm cold, and sparkle. Maddie, stop. Cut it out. You're acting like a little brat.
Because she is a little brat.
My child decides she wants to act like a little brat today. Today is Memorial Day and Labor Day. I don't know why I keep walking around and talking about it's Memorial Day. I haven't convinced my husband that it was Memorial Day. Today is Labor Day. And we have a cookout to go to.
You look, when it's nighttime, you look at the the packing the little packing lunch thing.
Mama,
Packing lunch.
you're just miserable, huh?
Packing lunch.
Hi, Madison.
At the end.
Give me a kiss. I love you. Say hi. Say hi, Maddie. Say hi. Maddie. Maddie. Maddie, look how Maddie looking at the chicken. Maddie. Mad. Oh my word. Look how Maddie looking at the chicken. No. You better not take that. Look, Daddy's giving you chicken. Daddy's giving you chicken. Say hi, man. No, you don't want to say hi? He's back there grilling. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, Maddie.
Is there room for the other kind of food that's supposed to be cooked from? Yeah, absolutely. This is the first time.
I was wondering if you ever put meat on here. I was like, I don't think so.
This is the first time.
You're gonna have to wash it with the hose.
I'm gonna have to set it out in the rain and a thunderstorm. Leave it open. Let lightning strike it.
No.
You know, when I opened it, it was too clean. I was like, he has never touched this grill. He said, let lightning strike it. He's looking at it like, poor girl.
Poor girl. Never be the same. There's no lighting. Right there. What are we doing, Maddie? Huh? Nothing. Someone asked if the giveaway is international. It's not international, unfortunately. It's not. I can't afford to ship anything international. When you look at the lenses, doesn't it look like it's an eye staring at you?
Yeah.
Well, it looks like an eye staring at you. Here, Maddie, you wanna walk? Here. Wait. Wait. She's gonna do it. She's gonna do it. She's gonna do it. Oh man, I missed it. Go, Maddie. Oh. Go, Maddie. Go. Go, baby. Go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here. She said no. Come here. No. Come on. Here, give it to me. Maddie. Give it to me. Good girl. Whoops. Oops. No. Go to daddy, Maddie. Oh!
Come on.
Oh, she's doing one step.
One to the side.
Come on.
One,
Come on.
two, three.
Don't forget.
Come here. Come on. Four.
Hi, how are you?
Hello. How you doing?
My husband is grilling. I didn't say anything.
You're laughing this morning.
I'm not laughing. I'm not laughing at you. Priceless.
What is he doing? What is he doing?
Hi, Maddie. Hi.
Oh my. Look, she's ready to go.
You want to come?
If you walk away now.
Come down. I know.
Stop.
Jackson,
Stop.
go stand on the top with the water. Come on. Come on.
Go in the kitchen.
Forget about 1844. This would be a great position.
Ah!
You're not going to.
They're about to do a race. She won again! Wow, she won me! That's just weird. So, see you later. Bye!
Oh, I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. So, Miss Smarty here got everything for the kids, but I forgot to get them clothes. I'm very smart. So tomorrow I have to go get them clothes. I forgot. I don't even know how that slipped my mind. I don't know how I forgot clothes.
You forgot to buy me clothes.
You had clothes.
Oh,
I thought she had clothes. Now She don't fit in her clothes.
That's true.
She does not fit in her clothes. So I'm like, oh.
It's like true.
So tomorrow, definitely tomorrow after they go to school, I'm gonna go through all their closets, like
oh my god,
everything, because I didn't even realize that Jaxson had shirts that were passed down from the older boys to him. So I'm like going through the shirts and I'm like, why is there so many bags in here? And it's just bags of clothes and clothes, and I'm like, I personally bought Jaxson clothes because I thought he didn't have any clothes. But Jaxson is the one that has the most clothes, and the boys, nothing fits, and it's just like,
they're growing 1 inch.
I thought I bought them clothes. But it wasn't clothes that I bought them. I bought them school supplies early, so.
Wait, I need to tell
I get the horrible task of going back to school shopping for clothes for them, because it's just like, they're no longer kids, if that makes sense. They are kids, but they're no longer kids that you can just go to the store and pick it up and like, oh, this is nice, let me get a 4T. No, they're kids with bulges and, you know, fat in different areas. So a size 12 might not fit Jason, while a size 12 might fit Jordan, vice versa, so on and so forth, you know. But tonight is the night before school starts, and
I have to pack my lunchbox.
it is 9:30 and I have to get all of them in bed.
Stop! Make sure to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and post that.
We don't know what she's talking about. She's very delusional right about now. I'm about to do her lunch right now.
That's a separate
Get it
video.
ready.
Do my lunch.
Like she said, it's a separate video. But I'm about to do her lunch and get it ready so that tomorrow she can just grab it and go. Sure. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.